Let's talk about Stalker Spock series, Black Screen Phi, in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. But don't give up hope just yet. Fellow Wanderer, we're here to guide you through some effective troubleshooting steps and potential fixes. Get ready to overcome this technical glitch and finally step back into the zone prepared to face its horrors and claim your destiny.
First things first, let's try the oldest trick in the book, a full system restart. Hold down your Spock's button for about 10 seconds until your console completely shuts off, then power it back on. This often clears any temporary glitches or cached data that might be causing the black screen, giving your game a much-needed fresh start.
Ensure both your Spock system software and Stalker are fully updated. Head to your My Games section, highlight Stalker and check for any available updates. Similarly, go into your console settings and verify your Spock is current, as outdated software can often lead to unexpected performance issues like the black screen.
If the black screen persists, the more drastic but often effective step is to completely uninstall and then reinstall Stalker. This can resolve corrupted game files that might be preventing it from loading correctly while it takes some time to re-download. The fresh installation often clears deep-seated issues and gives you the best chance of getting back into the action. Finally, let's consider your storage situation, especially if you're using an external drive. Ensure there's sufficient free space on your console's internal or external drive, as low space can cause loading issues. If Stalker is currently installed on an external drive tray, moving it to the internals to see if that resolves the black screen, as drive speed can sometimes play a significant role.